Today I want to show you how you can share a huge file through a app by creating a link on your Samsung phone and sending this link to another person's phone, even though they don't have a Samsung phone. Okay, so I'll go step by step and explain it, and just understand that this feature is available for Samsung phones with Android 12 or even Android 13. This is the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and let's get started. So I'll take it from the beginning and show you what this does so you have a better understanding of how it works if you're new to all this. So say, for example, I go to the gallery app itself, okay? And let's just pretend that this file here is a video that's about 2 minutes long, and I just can't send that video to you right now so you can view it, okay? And the only fastest way to do this, especially if, say, you have an iPhone, I can send this to you to your iPhone by doing this here. So I'll tap on the video itself, right? Just pretend this is the video, right? So you understand how this works. And I'll tap on share here. Now, you will need to be signed in to your Samsung account to get access to these settings. So if you're not done so yet, go ahead and do that. Sorry, I didn't mention that earlier. So sign into your Samsung account first, come back here, and you'll see Quick Share. When you go to Quick Share, you're going to see these bottom options here that allows you to create a link. So if it's a 2-minute video here, by tapping on this option here that says share link using app, what it's going to do is, as I'm signed in my Samsung account already, it's going to create a link for that video, and that link is going to be stored online, and I can send that link to another person's phone through a app. So it can be through Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram, Signal, any type of app that can receive a link, and they can simply tap on it and view it. So they're going to basically be viewing it from like the cloud storage of where I save that link, as they have that link. And anybody else that has that link will be able to view it um, once they have that link, okay? So as long as they have good internet connection, they can access that link and view the video instead of directly sending them the video. So you're not directly sending them the video. They'll only have access to the link to view the video or the large file. Hopefully that makes sense, okay? And that link has an expiration date, usually about 2 to 3 days. And after that, it'll be gone, okay? So like and sub. Hopefully you learned something new, and thanks for watching.